So today in English, we are going to start our lesson 5 of unit 5. So this is a story that we are going to study today. So open your books, boys, page number 17. Before you read, this story is about a clever animal. The story is about clever animal. Read and listen as far as the bottom of the page 71, then stop and think what will happen next. So this story is from Liberia, a country in Africa. Many ways to count to 10. What is the name of the story? Many ways to count to 10. A long time ago, Leopard was the king of the forest. This Leopard was king of the forest. He was the king. One day he said, I am getting old and tired. It's time to choose a new king. He put up a sign in the forest. All the animals came to the contest. You can see in the picture, this is the sign that he put. He put contest tomorrow at 3 o'clock. And all the animals came to the contest. King Leopard said, thank you for coming. Let me explain the contest. You must throw this spear high into the air and quickly count to 10. You must say 10 before the spear hits the ground. The winner of the contest will be the new king of the forest. So Leopard was an old king of the forest. He was getting tired and he was getting old. So he decided to make or to find new king for the jungle. So what he did, he put a contest and for in the forest, and he put the sign that says contest tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and he invited all the animals to come. So what he said, he has a spear, you have to throw it into the air and count till 10. You should finish counting till 10 before it comes and hit the ground. So the one who will do this, he is the winner. He will be the king of the forest. The elephant was the first to try. Who came first? Elephant. Who came first? Elephant was the first to try. I am very big, he said. What elephant said? He said, I am very big. I think I can do it. He was he was not thinking about the strategy of how to do the task. He was just showing off that he is very big. So he said, I am big, I can do it. No, this is not correct. So the elephant threw the sphere into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He counted loudly. Boom, the spear hit the ground. He did not finish till 10. And before that, he was in the 5 and the spear hit the ground. I am sorry, said the king. You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. The second was the water ox. The water ox was second. He also said, I am very strong. Elephant said, I am very big, and the water ox said, I am very strong. He said, I can do it. The water ox threw the spear in high into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He counted loudly. Boom, the spear hit the ground. I am sorry, water ox, said the king. You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. Even the water ox was not winner, he lose because he counted only till 6 and the elephant counted till 5. Elephant said, I am big, I can do it. And the water ox said, I am strong, I can do it. They were not actually understanding the task. The chimpanzee was the third. This big monkey is called chimpanzee. The chimpanzee was third. I can count very quickly, he said. I think I can do it. The chimpanzee threw the spear high into the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He counted quickly. Boom, the spear hit the ground. I am sorry, chimpanzee, said the king. You didn't do it. You didn't count to 10. In the end, a little antelope was next. Hello, King Leopard, he said quietly. Can I try? Of course, little friend, said the king. Here is the spear. The tiny antelope jumped high in the air as he threw the spear. He counted in twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counted the antelope. Boom, the spear hit the ground. You did it, said the king. Well done, little antelope. You counted to 10 in twos. What a clever idea. The forest has a new and very clever king. The three cheers of king for King Antelope, cried the animals. Hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. So the little antelope was king. You can see in the picture, leopard is giving a crown to little antelope, and all other animals are crying. They are not feeling happy because they couldn't do it. Here is the elephant, water ox, chimpanzee, and even the snake. They all lose, and only the little antelope win. Why he win? Because he used his mind. He think about the task. So when moral of the story is, when the task is given to you, when some question is given to you to solve, first of all, you have to understand the question, think about the question, and then give answer. You don't have to raise and shout, say me. This is wrong. You have to think about the questions and then you have to answer the question. This is the right and clever way of winning. So this was a short story, boys, about animals in the jungle. In this, we have different characters. First of all, we have leopard, we have elephant, we have water ox, we have chimpanzee, we have little antelope, and we have snake also. Snake didn't do anything, but he was just watching. And if you can see in the picture, the crocodile is also watching the task. So the elephant said, I am big, I can do it. The water ox said, I am strong, I can do it. Chimpanzee said, I can count very quickly. And clever little antelope first thought the question, thought the task, what he has to do, and then he asked the leopard, can I try? So the leopard said, yes, you can try. And when he counted in twos, he win the contest, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What leopard said? Leopard said you have to count till 10. He didn't said count in ones, count in twos, count in threes. He didn't said like this. So the little antelope thought about the contest and then he became a clever king for the forest. Okay, coming on to page number 73, talk about it. Who are the characters in this story? Who are the characters, boys? You know that we have leopard, elephant, water ox, chimpanzee, and antelope. Where does the story take place? Where does the story take place? In Liberia. Here you can see. This story is from Liberia, a country in Africa. So we will write Liberia, country in Africa. Question number 3. Why did King Leopard want to choose a new king? Because he was tired and he was getting old. Which animals speak loudly? Elephants speak loudly. Which animals speak quietly? Antelope speak quietly. So let's do it, boys. I will write, you can write it with me. Take out your pencils and you can write the answer under the question. Who are the characters in the story? So let's start. Leopard, elephant, water ox, and chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. After each word, you are going to put full comma and antelope. Antelope. Okay, let me just do a proofreading for the spellings. Leopard, elephant, water ox, chimpanzee, and antelope. Okay, the next question. Where does the story take place? It takes place in Liberia. Okay, chimpanzee. I will correct the spelling. It's chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. And we have antelope. Antelope. Lope. Antelope. Where does the story take place? Liberia. 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 Country in Africa. Liberia, country in Africa. Why didn't King Leopard want to choose a new king? He was tired and getting old. Okay, who speak loudly? Which animals speak loudly? Elephant. Which animals speak quietly? Antelope speak quietly. Okay, which of the words describe the antelope? Which of these words describe antelope? So I'm going to circle the words that describe little antelope. First one is quiet. Yes, he was quiet. He was not talking too much. He was clever. and he was tiny, small, tiny than other animals. So these three words describe antelope. Question number 7. What was the antelope's clever idea? His clever idea was to count 10 in twos. Did you think little antelope will be a good king? So you write yes, because he is clever. I guess he will be a good king because he is clever.